Today, I'll show you how to create a birthday flow in Klaviyo. Whether you're managing a small business or handling a large e-commerce site, setting up a birthday flow can be a delightful way to engage with your customers and make them feel special on their big day. It's an effective strategy to foster customer loyalty and boost your brand's relationship with them. To get started, you first need to navigate to the Flows tab. You'll find this in the left-hand navigation sidebar once you're logged into your Klaviyo account. The Flows tab is essentially your workspace for creating automated email sequences, which is exactly what we're diving into today. Once you've clicked on the Flows tab, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a blue button labeled Create Flow. Click on this button to initiate the process of setting up your new flow. Now that you've clicked Create Flow, you'll see a search bar appear. This is where you can find pre-built templates that Klaviyo offers to simplify your workflow. In the search bar, type the word birthday. This will help you find the pre-built template layout specifically designed for birthday sequences. Using a pre-built template can save you time and ensure you're following best practices. Once you've located the birthday template, it's time to give your flow a name. It's important to choose something clear and descriptive, as this will make it easier to manage and identify in the future. A name like birthday celebration and gift sequence works well because it clearly describes the purpose of the flow. With your flow named, focus your attention on the Trigger Setup panel located on the left side of your screen. In this panel, you'll define when your flow will be triggered. For a birthday flow, you'll want to select Date-Based as your trigger type. This ensures that the emails in your flow are sent based on a specific date, in this case, your customers' birthdays. Choosing the correct trigger type is crucial because it dictates how and when your emails are sent. Now that you've set up the basic framework of your birthday flow, you can further customize it to fit your brand's voice and goals. Consider adding personalized messages and special offers to make the birthday emails more engaging and valuable to your customers. This could include a unique discount code or a special gift offer, which helps in making the day memorable for them and encourages them to return to your store. Remember, the key to a successful birthday flow is not just in the setup, but also in the content you deliver. Make sure your emails resonate with your audience and provide them with a reason to interact with your brand. Keep your messages warm, friendly, and genuine to create a positive impression. There you have it. You've successfully created a birthday flow in Klaviyo. By following these steps, you'll be able to celebrate your customers and enhance your relationship with them in a meaningful way. With just a little effort, you can turn a simple birthday greeting into a significant touchpoint for your brand. Happy birthday planning!